Today I show you all the products we have. Let's see, this is for our inner markets, for Chinese markets. This is cake, and this is thunder. And go with me. Look at this one. It's for wolf sound. And let's look at this is a toy. Snap. This is tank. You see, it's beautiful, right? And this is have a beaker. You see, beautiful, right? This is our cake series for inner market. And this is all firecrackers for the US market. This is Army tank series. We have so many designs. Look. Okay, come here. This is only the start. And look at this place. Wow, have you seen so many toys, fireworks? Look at this is a skunk. And this is a car design. If you fire here, it will boom and move forward. Here, we have many. This is cork and also have scene effects. Here is teapot. Have you seen this before? If no, you can buy it. Okay, look at this place. Have so many. And let's go. Here. This is what kind of 暂停一下，我都不知道这是啥。暂停。